7.
7, baby.
Everything we do.
About to get this 3.
That's a 3. I will go first, Bubba.
Yes, sir.
Good luck, King.
Baby.
Hunt is right. Drawfish?
Yeah.
I can't tell that.
This is level 2, baby.
No, there's no way he plays level 2.
Level 2s aren't real. They can't hurt you. You can cut me. Normal kit.
Yeah. Oh, not Tri-Spright.
That's not the normal you want, I don't think. Or maybe
Sprint 1 kit 2.
Yeah. Got
40 minutes, go!
Hey, Kai, you get the thing on his shirt. Look at
Yeah.
Angler 1, Nerval 2.
Yep.
Just read that hit hard. Don't go crazy here.
Are you some water changes? Are you some double water?
Then you just dump her ass.
Shit's crazy, huh?
Wait a minute.
Shit's hot.
You see how good that was?
Where's our OTS pack?
What'd you
Wednesday.
add off Nerval? Or did you not?
Yo, Moses, wax him. Part him like a series.
Yeah, he had to add
That's
that
what I-
to
that's what I
right.
did.
Yeah, that's way better. I was gonna say, wait, is Striper getting
Yeah, I
that
done
mad
fucked it
they
up.
just
No,
all
my
go to
brain is
grave?
just turned off. It's being constricted by the camera. Droll's fine.
Cool. My bad.
You're good.
I'm okay.
You'll see what we're working with.
He's here. Why, dude?
That might be the worst shit I've ever seen
Yeah, like,
in my life.
I power shuffled, fam. So I'm thinking.
Wally, I don't know what Wally does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Depending on what you're playing into, yeah.
Normal. Yeah, do your thing, boo thing.
Oh.
You just can't add. I ain't got nothing else.
I don't know if he needs to anymore, is the problem.
I know.
That graveyard is full of the dummies.
Hey.
Correct.
Yeah.
Fucked.
That's a really good
Can't
draw
add that card to your hand. We're not summoning them. So true. Just thought about it. Lines turned on. Terrible.
Man, that game destroyed the brain.
Yeah, sir.
I want them here.
That's fine, baby boy. But I'm really praying on a good top deck here, dude. Holy shit, man.
Fucked.
Yeah, to banish. Let me drop this hefty imperm.
He held it this long. Yeah, he's been sitting on him for weeks.
Hit him with it.
Whoa! He just burnt my biscuit, I tell you what.
Oh, Lord.
I tell you what. I can't even cope though. This board is so big.
But my hand, you know, like, it doesn't take a good board to beat this hand, does this? I go,
Oh
Yep.
no.
There's nothing on the base.
Normal summon? Fucked.
it bounces, right?
Yep. Affected kit.
Yeah,
Oh no. That's some good gameplay right there.
You got it, Duelist. You want to see my hands?
It was probably poop. I was like, I had these two and then double kit.
Holy cow.
Jesus
that's so
Christ.
good.
I power shuffle.
Yeah, he showed that to me. Yeah, I knew you were gonna win that game if you did nothing.
You can. It hurts.
It hurts.
It definitely hurts. I would have gone crazy if I would have been able to like blue jet into stuff
Yeah,
there.
I'll take lead.
Yep. Nah. We're doing it back and forth. We're doing it back and forth. This is fucked up.
Did you brick too?
You opened the
This
same
is
hand.
fucked up.
Bro,
What the fuck?
Bro, draw face.
Well, give me 3 more.
Yep.
Give my phone 3 more.
I just find you what?
No,
You got your hammer in your hand.
Yeah.
Technically, he doesn't.
Still in draw face.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, you better hope he doesn't have that blue in here.
Oh, maybe I do.
Oh, you better do that thing people do where they can't win.
Also had the Woody Meister, Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
He couldn't have done that.
You couldn't have. It's a little rough here.
Oh, it's
Look
hard.
familiar, baby.
It's a little rough here.
I hear you.
You see those common ones? Those ones are nice.
I got rares, boy.
At least they're German.
So true. I'll be flinking her angle, you know what I'm saying?
Perfect.
Discard everything.
I was gonna say, he
Had
got
to
the
hit him
camera with
with
the
it.
driver.
Had to hit him with it. Get that boy shaking in his boots.
Discard. This is for the discard. Yeah, discard everything.
I ain't gonna save me.
Your
Oh
toaster strudel here,
yeah,
bro.
that shit is not
You
gonna
actually did have
save
blue in
me.
hand.
I did.
He doesn't have blue in deck though. He sided them all out. Okay.
Yeah, nah, this was
You got some
that.
game too?
Yeah.
I'm guessing Kai smoked you.
Yeah, I mean, I drew double
Because he's a
angle.
Woody Meister. He's a Woody Meister.
Yeah, that's
He's
what
a Woody
Yeah, he
Meister.
literally
He's
made
a
that
Woody
shirt.
Meister. Oh my god, he's a
Is
Woody
that an
Meister.
ultimate rare blue?
It do be the ultimate.
Are you cooking?
I'm about to fucking scoop. Yeah, you got it.
He's a Woody Meister.
You go.
Baby, you get.
Merry Christmas. There's a blue on top. I'm going first. Draw. Stay by me. Normal.
Yeah.
Effect.
Exactly, I messed up so bad. But I still won,
Because you guys just jump over. No one.
Yeah.
No, you're wrong.
If I go 2-1 again, I'll be happy.
That's because you keep saying, let me see your grades. Let me see your grades.
Jesus.
Yeah, because you did different.
He said you hide your grades from your mom. You gotta show us your grades.
Mark, I think you've been here in a while.
Brian was here today.
Man, this has a weird aftertaste.
Drinking a bang at 7 o'clock.
It's not 7 o'clock.
Yeah, it is. The tournament started.
Yeah, really 7 o'clock.
I thought it was 5.
Well,
I was fine. I'll see what the meeting had.
you would do high or low?
I forgot to put it again.
I don't know if that changes the high or low.
Trying to cheat?
Angler?
No, Michael's trying to cheat, bro.
High.
No
Man,
ass.
you so good with this deck. You would do high or low?
If I would have asked, I would have asked. Did you? No, you haven't good games with that, have you?
No 6. Tied.
We doing this
bad
again,
though, right
Michael.
here.
We doing this again.
You're gonna need this. 10.
We doing this again, Michael. We doing this again.
11. You're gonna need this time. He's gonna roll 12.
Oh,
That was the most cracked 3 die rolls I've ever seen. I'll go
Michael,
first.
remember
Gigantic
what happened
effect.
last time?
Oh, cool hand. Holy
Should have decided that.
Okay, this is so good, I think. Stand by me.
I'm a bot.
Activate visual adventure.
Okay, we're playing adventure.
Activate water change to the temple.
Okay, of course.
Response?
Did you make up this deck this time?
No. No.
I start taking
This
random
deck
lists.
is net decked. I don't know how to play this. Activate to summon a token.
Train and turn.
Yeah. On a token. Effective this to add the equip.
You normal carry it, right?
Effect to kit.
To add, right?
To dump.
Does the book have to be?
Nerval effect to add.
Affected this. Oh, you have book in hand. Okay, cool. Discard, equip, effect.
Which one is that?
Effect.
Activate water change to send special effective water changers.
Luigi's cousin. Okay,
Effect.
Yeah, the banner.
Luigi's cousin. Okay.
Add forest of lost flowers.
Okay.
Michael
So
Cole.
fat.
He didn't even question any of this. He doesn't even know what's going on.
Look at Mario.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Look at this man. That is Waluigi's Waddle. Looks like
He just said sure, whatever. Didn't even look. Didn't even care.
Because I'm in the conversation. You're
Fair sheet.
interrupting my
Oh, okay.
conversation.
Okay. Okay.
We're talking about Waluigi's.
Wonder Patrol shipyard effect.
I'm gonna assume we were supposed to play. I was eating.
Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. I know you didn't want this deck that I don't know how to play smoke.
No, I didn't.
Oh,
Yeah,
bro.
Oh wait, what's that one called? I forgot what it's called.
Guess what a surprise.
This man's still going.
No, you told me it though.
I know, that's the point. Don't spoil the surprise to this man. Is what no deck kills, Castria.
Effective white. Yeah, you're good. Effective white here.
Right?
Yeah. When he's sent to graveyard, I get
Wait, I
to
don't
special
see
summon a plunder, or yeah, a plunder patrol card.
200 for each time. Castria just plays
Castria? Castria? Oh gosh, Castria. It's so...
He went there Friday and he played this Scarecrow deck.
Who?
Ben. And he said it was the most dumb. He's one of the dumbest matches. He played Brandon and he played Castria, and they both just couldn't do anything because Tri-Spright can't be affected by it.
The fuck?
400 for earlier.
And he puts them in the What deck build does he have?
He changed it.
Targeting white beard as a special.
I know.
So 3. He's playing Castria. Castria. 8. It lost 2.
What's that dude? I know he's crazy from the Goo Gaming video.
And then Bear Bremoth on summon.
It's good draw 6 in
The one that you can only use to sacrifice
What's this point
for
to?
any Egyptian.
Nothing.
I'm Vector George.
I just had to link off Bear Bremoth. Fucked up.
You know what?
I'm gonna add
It's not your turn. He's the greatest. So 12. Who was the greatest win in history? He got Barone out, got Fenrir out.
When
I'm hoping for one good card here, Duelist.
What was it?
Oh my lord, maybe 4 good cards.
No, it was record of that.
Oh, he told me he lost this. He told me he
Affected this to get
Draw
the token.
Was it here?
He was Friday. He lost it Grant Castria.
Oh, I'm out of token.
Castria?
He lost it because of a build spell.
Stand by.
These never come to me.
So I'm gonna call light on the token. This goes back to my extra deck.
I'm dark.
Effective Blackbeard, the Blood Patrol captain, target himself.
By the time I can't even say any monsters, probably. You're gonna have tokens all over here.
I have no idea.
He's like, yeah, I forgot my secret deck. I forgot my extra deck.
Forgot what the
Effective Golden Hair, sending
link
black eyes.
or link material.
Yeah, you got it. But I can't link it. I can't link it.
What's that?
It needs a non.
You only played the 2.
Huh?
You only played the 2 with that archetype?
And I only play one time and it needs
I just
to
draw
work.
cards.
To work.
When you're in phase.
Huh?
No, I think you need to make this 2, which you could do.
Oh, you got it, Duelist. 2 games.
Oh,
I'm just copying you, baby. I'm a